In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF document from your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your PDF document saved to your iPhone files. If you haven't already, then just click on the share icon in the top right hand side of the screen, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Save to Files. Then just click Save in the top right hand corner. And once we've saved this, we can then head over to the Files app on your phone. If you can't find this, then you can just use the search box to search for files. From here, click on Browse in the top left-hand side of the screen and click on My iPhone. Then just locate the document that we just saved. Click on the pencil icon in the bottom navigation. And now what we're going to do is zoom in slightly to this signature section so we can place our signature. And you have two options. You can just use the pen tool to draw your signature like this, or what you can do is click on the plus icon at the bottom, click on Add Signature, and then you can draw your signature on this bottom line over here. Click on Done to finish, and that's also going to add your signature like this, and we can move it around and place it on the screen. Once you finish, click on Done in the top right hand side, and just like that, we've now saved our signature over to this document, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.